Here's how you can power up your GEMS node with a miner. Head over to gems.vip and click Nodes and Miners in the top menu. Click Get Your Mercury Miner to enter the miner page. Make sure to carefully review the disclaimer before entering your email address, checking all 3 confirmation boxes and clicking Continue. Enter the amount of miners you wish to purchase from each tier. And choose your payment currency from the drop-down menu. Make sure you have enough ETH for gas fee. Click Connect Wallet at the top of the page and choose your wallet provider. Then, follow the steps in your wallet to confirm the connection. Review your transaction details and click Buy. If you have a promo code from your leader, now's the time to enter it and enjoy your discount. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased your miners. Remember, miners can only be operated if connected to a GEMS node. Check out our other video on how to purchase GEMS nodes.